what might be driving, besides being paid. You know, some of them are paid, but I imagine they're not all paid. And even if you were paid, wouldn't you take 5 minutes to develop an argument for why you see it? He looks so insane. His little eyebrows are like so scrunched up. It looks like the cat's asshole. It just happens to be right in the middle of his face. I've never seen so much scrunched up mental illness looking. It looks like might supplement your income. Now he suggested, Musk has, that maybe we should increase their salary so that they have at least some disincentive to steal. But I don't know if you can increase it enough, because the amount that they're stealing doing this, or we'll come back. We almost have to completely destroy every technological capability they have, back to the point where you just severely destroy that part of the country. If you don't go that far, I think we can say for